Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language setting on your Chess application. To change your language setting on Chess, first of all, launch open the Chess application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the More menu, you will be able to see several options from where you need to tap on Profile. Now, look for the language option at the bottom inside the Profile section and tap on it. It'll then take you to your device's language setting area from where you can choose the preferred language. Tap the language option and select a different kind of a language you'd like to change to for your app. Select your desired language and then you will be able to change the language setting within your chess.com app as well. So that's how it's super easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.